Good afternoon. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a blank assignment. So you're going to hit the plus sign in the green circle and you're going to click New Blank Assignment. And from here, it's going to give you 3 pages to start with. You can add pages or you can delete pages if you do not need that many. I'm going to rename my assignment Classkick PD, and then I'm just going to go straight to the assignment and start editing. So the easiest way is obviously to just create assignments from your PDFs. So say you want multiple PDFs and you don't want to just upload it from one. You would use this camera tool. And you could either take a camera, so students could, if they're good at it, take a camera, take a picture of their work if they wanted to access their camera, or you can upload it from your computer. And you can, it doesn't have to be a PDF, it can actually be images as well that you can upload into your assignment. So if I upload it from the computer, and I am just going to, I only want to say use 4 of those questions here. So I'm going to highlight those 4 questions and then hit next. It's on the current page. And then now I can add another if I want, or I can hit finish if I'm done with that PDF. So let's say that's on my first page and that's what I want. And then I can go to another page and add something else. So I'm going to upload it from my computer, and then I want to add something from this assignment. So I'm going to add question 2. And I'm done. And then I have that question. And then I could always keep adding. Okay. Now, one thing I want to point out is that sometimes some of these assignments can take a bit of time if you create them from scratch. So I'm going to show you an example of one that I had created. And you can use it as a skeleton. So I am going to just copy this particular page and bring it back to our assignment that we were working on and paste it here so you can see this function that I use. So if you're going to use the same format for multiple questions and it's something that you created by hand, so I didn't use a PDF. I didn't use a PDF for this. I created this with text boxes and answer boxes. And then I also took clips from a PDF to put in the pictures. So if I wanted to use this multiple times, I'm going to make a skeleton with my directions. My boxes are empty. I haven't assigned any answers to them yet. I am going to use just the duplicate function for as many times as I need it. This was a lifesaver for me when I first started because it's not like Word where I can just right-click and copy something. So if you're going to use a format multiple times, definitely use that duplicate function. Also, you have this copy function too, but that's really if you want to take it into another document. So duplicate function is really nice when you've spent the time creating an assignment using all of the tools in Classkick. Make sure you use the assignment library to help yourself, see all of the different possibilities and how you can create things from scratch in here. You just really use text boxes and answer boxes and be as creative as you are. I'm not a super creative person, so this is pretty basic, but there's lots and lots and lots of possibilities that you can have. Have a great day. I hope this helped.